I'm back. So I washed our felted pouch in the washing machine. It was a regular wash, I think about 45 minutes, together with some towels and whatever I found in the house. Sometimes I wait for a day, like for a couple days, and I keep it in the plastic bag. And when it's washing time, I just throw everything together so to save some water. And this is how it came out. It's wet still, and you can see it looks like a really felted slipper or something like very tough. So first, what I would do with this thing is just kind of, I can use an iron, but it's not really necessary. I can, I don't know, like even it a little bit. So for that reason, I have a couple tools. This is my beautiful, I love that thing, a ceramic felted stone, and it has a handle on top. I bought it in Moscow. You're probably realizing that I am Russian and I grew up in Moscow, and it's still my home, so I travel there, I spend some time there, but I live in Michigan right now. Anyway, so I use that felted stone just to press that piece of wool, piece of fabric we just created, for a different reason. First of all, it still helps me to felt it a little bit more, and see how it makes it like even and clean, gives it this clean, even look. Okay, you don't have that fancy felting stone. You can use anything you find. You know what I bring for the classes? Like a dish soap, which has like, I don't know, it's little bumps at the bottom, and we use the dish soap to press our pieces. And finally, by the way, I can sit down and take my coffee. And no rush, and my cat is here. Hello, Dersu. Hello, Dersu. Yeah. I know you was waiting. Oh, he needs to go outside. Oh, he's very talkative cat. Give me a moment. I have to let him out. Go. Sorry. So now I do my best. It's not very even. You can see again in the middle it felt a little bit more than on the edges, but it's okay. So that part of my job is actually called forming. So imagine if we do the hat. I say cat because my cat is like so loud. It's a Bengal. They're loud cats. So loud cats. Now I have to flip the thing inside. By the way, it's up to you. You can make blue inside and brown outside, if you do it the way I showed you, two-colored. I want brown to be inside. I know why. And you will see the blue area was a little bit longer, for the reason that at that area where I'm folding, it will be I guess I need my glasses. I need a tool. I have a stick, like a wooden stick. Something like that, right? This is pretty heavy felt. It's pretty thick and it's not so easy to walk with it. Let me try it another way. I'll start from the very end. Okay, let's do that. Oops. I just want you to see how thick this felt is right now. And again, picture them. If you make a purse or a pair of slippers. Okay. So the whole thing is in. Nice. So here's your pouch. Here's your pouch. Let's stretch it a little bit. So I will take 2 sticks, even 3 sticks, and put it on the thing. And this is how we're forming it, right? We just give it a form. Wool is like a memory foam. It's will memorize the shape. I mean, remember the shape. I still want to stretch it a little bit more, just to make it a little nicer quality. Don't want to flip my coffee here. So I use my stone to. Some here will come out, certainly, and it's normal. So the ones which didn't felt in with something, so sometimes you will take a little pile at that point and a little extra, then they all will go in. Okay, so ideally you need something perfect shape, like for example, this is why I saved the real glasses case, so I can pull the thing on it and shape it right on it, so to have it in the same shape. I don't know if I can do it right now with this one, because I do have another one which is a little bit smaller, a little bit easier. Maybe not. Maybe it's just enough. Maybe it's just enough. So anyway, keep working on this thing now in this, when I already put this thing together. So here's my little gap to install the frame. Little gap to install this frame, can you see? So the frame will be bending like that. It's really not so hard. You just have to go through that thing. You can feel it on the side, going around. A little bit tricky, right? A little bit tricky, but it will be there. And there is a little nail whoops, came out perfect, and there will be a little nail which I have to nail this thing together and press it to hold it for good. I'm not going to do it right now. I just want to show you that It will work. See? This thing will work. I just have to put it together with this little nail which comes with this frame. Anyway, this thing is done. It's absolutely solid. It's nice. It's brown inside and blue outside. And has 2 layers. So if you want, you can take scissors. Don't make too big of a holes here. I'm thinking that for that one, I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I found some quite brownish, beige, yellowish yarn. I don't know, in my storage room, which I have so much stuff there. And so maybe I'll use it and, I don't know, do some stitching or decorate it somehow. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. Maybe put some beads on top of it, right? Maybe I can do again a little needle felted picture or something like that. Put some buttons, put some beads, anything I want. It's ready. It's a little bit wet still. I mean, I feel the moisture. So, but it will disappear eventually. And it will be a little bit lighter. At the point, I still want to press it because I want it to be the walls of this thing. I want to be a little bit thinner. You know what I'm saying? Okay, by the way, how about the size? Let's compare. Oh, they're very similar. I'll happen to be a little bit bigger, but I mean, it's okay. It will still shrink after it dries. So, can we put glasses here? Check if I can put my glasses here. Yes, fits perfectly. A nice gift, by the way, too, right? So to make something like that and give to your girlfriend for Christmas and handmade. Took me maybe 3 hours altogether. Well, so that's it. I will put some information under that video with my website. There is like some Instagram pictures you can check. And also maybe I will list some items you may need. I don't know if you already forgot what kind of wool I used and how much. I will put some numbers there for you just to take a look and follow directions. And again, you can email me or find me through social media if you take things seriously, and I will put you a kit and send you some wool. Maybe I can even make you a template. Yeah, I love doing it, and I'm happy to share, and I'm hoping that if you try, never mind, it's not an easy craft, but it's really lots of fun. It's really lots of fun. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for your patience, and it's I know you spent some time. I'll see you later, and have a great week. Okay, bye.